Okay, this is Mike Poole with Grover Turf Care, the new name in the organic approach to professional lawn care in Knoxville and the surrounding areas. I'm looking at a lawn that's been sodded and is just in the developing stage and in need of some TLC. This is the front area. This area looks like it's been trafficked. We need to get some good nutrition down and make sure we got all of our pH values, calcium values, and so forth at the right levels to encourage some good grow in. These hybrid fescues are very capable of spreading and filling in what's called vegetatively, which means without seeding. And so we've got, just going to treat the areas that we see are sodded. This area up here is not going to be included for now. So this is the back area. Beautiful morning. We're just going to imagine that half of this side lawn here is assigned to each house, and we're going to take measurements based on that calculation. So this is the scope of the project. I'm going to sign out now and get my corn tool out and get my soil testing hat on, collect some soil samples. We will get those off to the lab next week. I have about a 10 to 14 day turnaround time, which is pretty typical for the lab in the spring. In the meantime, we'll probably want to do a good early spring essentials feeding here. And we'll just base it on historic averages for soils in this area, and then we'll fine tune it when we get the results back. But it will provide everything that's needed here for the time being. And so this is Mike Poole with Grover Turf Care, the new organic approach to professional lawn care. I'm signing off.